Level 1. Installing the memory. On this level, you will need the motherboard marked A in your build kit and the RAM sticks marked B in your build kit. Before starting, get rid of any static by touching a metallic object that is grounded. Your new PC case is a good example of a grounded object. Pull out your motherboard. Your motherboard comes with important accessories in the box, which vary depending on the brand and the type of board you're using. This specific board came with an I/O shield, SSD screws, SATA cables, which won't be used for this build, and a motherboard manual, which we will be referencing often. If you have onboard Wi-Fi, you may also find Wi-Fi antennas in the box. Don't worry if not all these accessories came with your motherboard. The SSD screws may already be in the board, and the I/O shield may be pre-installed. Take out your motherboard and place it gently on top of the box it came in. The memory channels will be located in the top right corner of the motherboard. Locate RAM channels 2 and 4. These channels are paired to one another, giving you the most efficient use of your RAM. If labeled differently, check your motherboard manual for clarification. Press down on the lane 2 and 4 channel tabs. Your motherboard may have push-down tabs on one or both sides of the channel. Typically, if there's a white sticker on your memory sticks, this white sticker will be facing into the board towards where the CPU socket is located. The top of the gold RAM connectors is longer than the bottom. This makes it so that there is only one correct orientation. Make sure the gold connectors are properly aligned before applying force. Press down until you hear a click. Be careful, but don't be afraid to push firmly, it may require some force. Upon installation, pull the RAM upwards twice to make sure it isn't loose. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the RAM and are ready to proceed to installing the CPU.